Have you tried following cornrow tutorial without success? It looks easy, but you just cannot do it, and making you doubt your abilities? Don't lose hope. I believe everyone can braid. You just need to know this secret. Imagine you can cornrow braid. You can braid your own hair, braid your family or friends' hair, or even braiding others' hair to make some income. Cornrow is one of the basic skills in braids. Learn the basic technique of cornrow, you can create more different braid styles. Sounds good to you? Let's start now. In my experience of teaching beginners to cornrow, the main obstacle is not how to weave the hair. It's actually how to grip the hair. Everyone braid differently. I have come up with some little practice to help you understand the skill quicker. I would suggest you follow exactly what I'm teaching here. Then you practice, you will soon master the art. In this tutorial, I will break down the braiding process in smaller parts. First, the tools that you will need for cornrow. Second is the concept of cornrowing. Third is the position of finger and how to grip. Once you understand all this, you can go to the main part, step by step cornrow from zero to finish. A red tail comb for sectioning and comb through the hair. Water in spray bottle or some hair gel to refine the sections. Elastic band to secure the braid. And also some clips to hold the unused hair. That's it! Very simple tools, you just need to get started. Cornrow is a 3-strand braid, which means taking the side strand, cross under the middle strand alternatively, at the same time adding hair each time to create a braid that is laid on the scalp, and the crossing pattern is outside. The main part that you will need to use the most is your fingertip. We are learning a traditional way, and this method is good for small and tight braid. To make the braid tight, the closer your finger to the scalp, the tighter your braid will be. So let's do a practice. We take a small piece and then separate into 2 pieces. We use our thumb and index finger grabbing close to the scalp. Now we're going to gather 2 strands into one hand. So first we use our middle finger, press it down. At the same time, our thumb and index finger slide away a little bit from the scalp and open up to grab the other strand. And then let go your right hand. You can see now it's one hand holding both strands and the middle finger is separating them. Let's try the other side. Grab the strand very close to the scalp with our thumb and index fingertip. Use our middle finger to press it down and then slide it open up and then bring the other piece in between our thumb and index fingertip. Let's try a couple more times. Second practice is how to grip the adding hair. First, use our left hand to grab the hair straighter. Then our right thumb and index fingertip pointing to the scalp to pick up some hair. Imagine them like a chopstick pick up some hair. Let's practice a couple more times. Let's pick a section for braid. Use a red tail comb to section a 3 fingers wide section. Spray water to tame the frizz and then brush out the hair. Twist the hair away tightly and hold it with a clip. Do the same thing all around until you get a nice section. We need to comb through the hair before we start braiding. Spray some water. You can section it in a smaller part and then start comb from the end to the root. Now we use some hair gel to make the section cleaner. Put the gel all over the parting. Also put it on the hair that we're not going to braid. clean up the parting and also tame the frizz. And now you're ready to braid. Use a rat-tail comb to section our first piece. Your left hand holding the piece, use your middle and index finger poking in and separate into 3 strands. Hold it with your thumb. Make sure they are equal strand. If not, try to make them even. Your left hand is free now. Use your thumb and index to pick up the left strand and then pass it to the other 3 fingers. Then your thumb and index will be holding the middle strand. Your right thumb and index will be holding the right strand. Now we can start braiding. Remember our first practice? Our right middle finger, press it down. Go under the middle strand. Bring the left strand into the right thumb and index finger. Grip it tight and then let go your left hand. Your left hand is free. Use it to pick up the strand on the left, which is the strand that no hand is holding. Same thing, middle finger, press it down. Go under the middle strand. Bring the right strand in between the left thumb and index finger. Once you grip it tight, let go your right hand. We have done 1 grip on each hand. Now it's time to adding hair. Do the same thing 1 more time on our right hand. After we let go our left hand, now it's time to do our second practice. Your left hand pulling the rest of the hair and your right fingertip pointing to the scalp and pick up the hair. Now do the other side. Left hand pick up the free strand. Middle finger press it down. Go under the middle strand and then grab the right strand. Be aware that the adding hair is included in the middle strand, so your index and thumb should go under the adding hair. Here is the tips. Use your thumb to slip under the adding hair to make a cleaner section. You can also use your free hand, which is my right hand in here, to clean up the adding hair section. So it will be easier for you to do the next braid. Let me demonstrate the normal speed of braiding. If you think that this pickup method is too difficult for you, I will show you another gripping and adding hair method in another video. After finish the adding hair part, you just finish the braid with a 3-strand braid and then secure it with an elastic band.
Congratulations! Now you can do cornrow braid. Want to try to do more different style? Check out this list. Thank you for watching. I have all the links of the tools and products you can order from Amazon in the description box down below. I hope you enjoy this journey into the art of cornrow braiding. So don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with your hair. See you in next video. Bye bye!